No, I think you should call Terry's cell phone right now because she's just picking up mine. You have that, you don't, 883. Oh, there we go. Mm-hmm. Yeah, don't make it go too fast, right? It's out of water. Mm-hmm. Sideways one. Okay. We need to go up here and turn this on because if it says off, it's not going to do anything. Okay, speed, that's it. And now go down a notch on the sign here. Just go down a little bit. Now change that. Left 4 after I. That's
okay.
Good.
Yep.
Okay.
I see. So I'm going to go to 2B. This is going to be. This is right joystick Y. What that let the trigger move. Moves quickly enough.
It's kind of unstable too, isn't it?
Oh, that's right. Set that up.
Bobbing around. Wow, good started.
Alright, all of my forward drive motors are backwards.
Let me see the tilt.
Alright,
Ethan, make her swim over here.
wait for her to stop the fluid.
Ethan, make
Tilt
her
up.
swim in the
Tilt down.
deep.
I'm like
Ethan,
pulling
make her
too much.
swim in the
Oh yeah,
deep
that's...
end.
Wow.
You can do wheelies, not go down, not die.
Nice bubble.
I think it's fast enough.
Yeah, Stephen, make her go up.
It really kicks up when it
It
goes
gives a
forward.
wheelie. So what if we program in some tilt down as it goes forward?
I was thinking of how to do that. Well, I have tilt down programmed in right now.
You can build PID controllers with 3 simultaneous axes.
Dad, make the CR recorder from underwater. I don't know how to see under. I have a pair of goggles.
So I should probably hang on to it a while. The electric.
I don't know.
It should have more tilt now. Let's see. Tilt up? Yeah, that fixed it.
Tilt down.
And it doesn't have, and it's in this nice stinky form right now too. The problem is when I was doing that, there were 4 motors going full out and one at, I don't know how much power that's got.
We don't have our battery voltage monitor yet either.
I really like how fast it goes up and down. Ready? It goes down a lot faster though because
It's heavy. Hey, definitely faster than not, Bob.
you can drive in all kinds of weird ways.